Hi, my name is Cheshta and I'm from Mauritius. I'm currently in my first year studying civil engineering at UTS, and I'm the recipient of the Vice-Chancellor's International Undergraduate Scholarship. I chose UTS mainly because of its strong reputation in engineering. So the learning experience at UTS is very interactive and practical. I've already worked on assignments which includes tools such as AutoCAD, ArcGIS and Theodolites, which I probably wouldn't have had access to it this early in my course back home. So all of these aspects about UTS made it a very easy decision for me. One of my most memorable experiences at UTS would be becoming a UPOS leader, and as a leader I run sessions to support first-year engineering students in complex subjects. So my scholarship covers the entire tuition fees. Its significance extends beyond its financial support as it empowers me to continue my journey of learning and service, leaving a lasting impact on the world around me. My biggest advice would be to not be afraid to take the leap, and if you are thinking about applying to scholarships, be genuine in your application and just don't highlight your achievements but also your passion and goals, because UTS looks at the whole person, not just your grades.